Volvo Trucks is now launching I-Shift with crawler gears, a gearbox with up to 2 additional crawler gears. The extra gears make it possible to start a truck from standstill with up to 325 tons in total weight. This is unique for series-produced heavy trucks. To simplify, I-Shift with crawler gears works like this. By adding 2 additional cogwheels, the truck can drive at really low speeds, which is key for precision driving. The crawler gears make it possible to drive as slowly as 0.5 kilometers per hour. The new gearbox also makes it easier for heavily loaded trucks to drive uphill. I-Shift with crawler gears also enables reversing at really low speeds, which benefits drivers who need to reverse with great precision.
With the new I-Shift with crawler gears, it's like having 2 trucks in one. You can start with very high loads, even in very tough conditions, and at the same time we can still optimize the driveline for driving on main roads and highways. So it's a really flexible truck.
The gearbox achieves the same low fuel consumption as a regular I-Shift and is available on Volvo FH, Volvo FM and Volvo FMX.